Now watch the hook pass right in front of the needle, right above the eye of the needle. That's what's catching your bobbin thread. It's catching the hook catches your upper thread and wraps it around your bobbin case and pulls up your bobbin thread, and you have your stitch. Looks good so far. Here we go, sewing on the blue girl for the first time. Hope she's gonna work well. Okay, she has a noise going, but I think I know exactly what that is. Let's take a look at her stitches. If the stitches are good, I'm pretty sure it's just a matter of... Sorry about that. Stitches are good. Let's see the back. You ready? Aha. Okay, something's off. Tension. Ah, how silly. Did you see that I had the tension set down at 0? Why didn't you say something? I'll be right back. And there's the back. Well, it's better. Not perfect. Those are minor adjustments. And yeah, there we go. So here's the blue girl all done, and she is blue. And what I did was I used a pixie dust paint over the top of the blue before I put the decals on, so you see a little bit of her is sparkly. Well, all of her paint is sparkly. Let's see if I can do this. See that? Yeah. So I added her own little decals because I thought the roses were so pretty, and they complemented the Singer decals that I bought. I buy the silver and the gold, and so I wanted the flower to look like that. So, is she perfect? Well, she's perfect. I mean, from where she was to what she is now, this is pretty good. I'm happy with that. Her paint came out much better. Did I put a nick or two in it? I don't know if you could see right here when I was putting that on. I used a little nick in her paint, and also when I was putting the light housing back in, I scratched a little bit there. But you know, it really isn't a big scratch. It's not something you would notice. I don't even know why I'm pointing it out. But anyway, there she is. I'm going to put her before pictures here at the end to show which machine this was. And this is the one, I believe, from 51. If I'm wrong, I will correct it here. And anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'm going to take a break from this for a while because it's getting to be a little bit much. But yes, I enjoy it, and I'm going to decide which of these machines I'm going to sell, because I just simply can't keep all of them. Just doesn't make any sense. Anyway, hope to see you soon. Thanks again for watching. And see you when I see ya on the next one. Bye.